Hello friends, welcome back to another video after a long time, but hopefully we'll be able to continue the series again for a longer time. So this time I was working on this application in which we are able to deploy a bot army, means trading bot army. I'll be showing you step by step. Like it's very easy for beginners. So even a non-technical guy can use this. So I'll be sharing all the instructions, all the files, everything what you need to start this in the school platform, right? So you can simply go and download from there, right? I'll be sharing the link below. So let me start to first explain you how this works, and then I will explain the features of this application. So first of all, if you can see on the screen, you have an army of the bots. These all bots are currently running. You can see when I click on this, it will open and it will show you the current PNL, right? The number of trades, the win rate, and the Sharpe ratio. And also it will show you the current running trades, which is here. And currently it's negative 7.62%. So let me click on the detailed analysis. So when you check, the market is red now. And if you check the trades, it will show you like completely here, right? The pair, the side, the close date, the PNL, and the exit reason. And if you want, you can sort pairs from here, the sides, and the date, and the PNL, and the exit reason. So basically, what this is doing, we have connected this to the Freqtrade, and I'm sure that you must have used the Freqtrade. If not, then you can see my previous videos in which I have explained the Freqtrade completely step by step. So you can refer my previous videos for Freqtrade. But one problem with Freqtrade was it was somewhat complicated for the beginners, right? For the non-technical guys. So for those, I have created this application. It's very smooth, very fast, and very easy to use. So in the backend, these all strategies are using the Freqtrade's features. So when you click on any boat, so it will pop up this dashboard in which you can see the port it is using is 9101, right? So if you want, you can click here, open FT UI, which means Freqtrade UI. So when you click on this, it will open the Freqtrade's dashboard, right? Where you can see the exact running trades, right? And the same data you can see here also in a very concise and very user-friendly dashboard, right? So by this, you can open all the trades, all the dashboards, and from here itself, you can start any strategy. Let me show you how. Let's say we have this strategy catalog, right? In which all the strategies are here. And if you want to add more strategies of your own, I'll show you how to add that, right? But for now, I have backtested almost 4,000 combinations. Let me show you. Like we have this strategy. For example, this one, squeeze momentum, right? So I have tested this squeeze momentum in all time frame. Let's say I tested squeeze momentum with 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day, right? And by that, whatever I got the best results, I have pasted all results here, right? So if you want, you can also backtest on your own. But for your simplicity, I have imported all the backtesting results here, right? So these are category-wise strategies. So these are all the Bollinger Band strategies, right? You can see here. And these are all Ichimoku, MACD, moving average, offsets, then multi-strategy ensemble, then pattern candlestick, and then RSI oscillator, then pattern candlestick, then RSI and oscillator, and then we have trend following, volume based, and then we have some like random strategies right here. So what you can do, we have spot also and futures also, right? So I have backtested both. So and then also if you want to like sort the strategies based on the Sharpe ratio, PNL, or the name, so you can do that, and simply you can search here also, right? So let's say I have this strategy with the futures, so I'll click on this Ichimoku, and here I can see when I sort with Sharpe, I have this result. And mind that these are all tested on the historical data, right? So, and sometimes the backtesting result is not perfect. So don't go with that. Before going on production or a live trading, like do your own dry run for at least a month, right? On any strategy you want to deploy. So let's say I did this Ichimoku one, and with this, I had a good Sharpe ratio. And as I tested this all on the previous data, so it might possible that the results are, not accurate. So for that, what you can do a backtest again, or you can go to a dry run, right? From here straight away. So because previously in the Freqtrade, you have to go to the command terminal, you have to write your commands, and then only you will see the results, right? But from here, you can like a simple UI is here, and you can open any strategy and you can do a dry run, right? So let's say, we have these many boards, right? These all are running right now. So let's say if I want to start a board, right? So what we can do, I can just go to this strategy catalog from here and click on any strategy. Let's say I'll take futures, and from here I'll select the Ichimoku, right? So from here I can take any strategy. So let's say I take this, uh, uh, I take this Ichimoku V30, right? So in this, we have this PNL with the historical data of this, and this is the maximum drawdown, right? So this seems good. So what we will do, I'll just start this, click on dry run. So if you want, you can also do the backtest here. So click on backtest and you can start from here, right? So let's say I do a dry run. So I click on dry run and let's keep all these parameters default only. So I'll click on deploy, and when I go to the boat army, you can see here it says me deployed Ichimoku V30 one-day features on the port 9136, right? So let's wait for a few seconds before checking this. So meanwhile, what you can do, you can open your terminal. So from here, just run docker ps. So you can see we have this docker container Ichimoku V30 on the port 9136, right? So which started 24 seconds ago, and I'm already running these bots like since 3 days. So let's say, so let's open this in our army dashboard. So let's give a refresh here and just search this one, this newly deployed bot, which is yeah, we have this Ichimoku, and it already like took 2 trades. Let's check that, and these all are in negative for now. Maybe we have to wait for few minutes. Okay, so this is how you can straight away deploy any strategy. So currently we are working on this, and for now I'm completely providing this code, this whole source code in our school platform, so you can go and download. And in future we'll be bringing so many advanced features in this, because this is very fast and this is very helpful for all the manual traders, right? You can easily switch from manual trading to algorithmic trading, right? It's very easy and it's very safe because it removes your emotions. If you have a strategy in your mind, then definitely it can be converted to an algorithmic strategy and you can deploy here, right? It's very easy. And if you need any kind of support, let's say in the application development, or if you want to create any strategy, we are also expert in the infrastructure. Let's say you want to deploy on a server, so we can help you in that also. So we can help you setting up very secure environments in your cloud instance. Or if you want a local server, we can do that also. You can like run this in your Mac Mini, and we can also help set up in the Raspberry Pi, right? So it's like it will be running everywhere. This app will run on your Windows, on your Mac Mini, or any Linux OS, or any cloud. So basically it will be running anywhere, right? So let me show you how you can access it. So what you can do, just open your school, and from there go to the classroom, right? So from classroom, click on this Nexus trading dashboard, right? So you'll be able to download this star file. I'll just show you in minutes that how you can download and install this application from starting, right? So before that, let me explain you the features. So this is the backtest lab. So here you can search for any strategy, let's say Ichimoku, a V1. Then you can select the time frame, and then the mode you can select sport and futures, then time range, or you can even change the pairs from here and click on run backtest, right? So when you click on that, actually I selected this bigger range, so it will take some time. So you can even check the running process from here. When you click on, so when you run the command docker ps, so you will see that there's an instance and it is running now, right? And let me show you a few more things. Here, these are the logs of the running bot. So all the bots are here and you can check the log. So it means it is a like concise way, or you can say a consolidated dashboard of all the Freqtrade army, and you can easily monitor this, right? So this is a dry run dashboard. So you can see here, and all the offline bots are here. So you can click on here, and also this is the live trade dashboard. So when you will start the live trading, the all bots will display here, right? So these are the charts of all dry run or live trade, right? So when you click on here, you will see all trades, and if you want, you can check the like chart also, right? And then this is history of all the trades. This is the button for trial and live. So for live, we haven't done yet. We will show you, of course, once we are done with the testing. So whatever the trial and strategy which is performing well here, we will deploy that on the live market. Now let me show you that how you will be downloading and starting this bot. It's very easy, just a simple, just a one-click process. That's it, nothing else, right? So what you will do, you will click on the link below and open the school, right? So once you are in the school, you click on classroom. So when you log in, you will land here. When you and when you click on classroom, you have to click on this Nexus trading dashboard, right? So, and you will find this file here, Nexus dashboard, and click on that and it will download, right? So just click on download and your file will be downloaded, right? This is the Nexus. This is the Nexus dash. This is the Nexus dashboard, right? So once you have this file, now what I will do, as I'm already, so now what I will do, as I'm already running this, so now what I will do, I will show you in a different device, because in this device, I'm already running this live dashboard, and I don't want to mess up with this running. I want to keep it running for few more days to test the strategies and the performance. So what I will do, I will open this in another device and I'll show you how to do the installation, right?
So now what you will do, you will go to your downloads folder, right? And you have this file, right? So what I'll do, I'll just untar this. So tar xvf and then the file name, right? So file name is, I'll just copy from here and paste it here, right? Just hit enter and it will be like uncompressed, and now you can see you have this folder, right? Just go to this CD and simply, okay, before that make sure you already have the Docker desktop installed in your system. So what you will do, just go to your browser and search download Docker desktop. So let's say if you have a Mac, then it will show you the Mac page. Else if you have Windows, then you can download for Windows also, right? Just click on Docker desktop, install as usual, right? So once you are downloaded, then start the Docker desktop, right? Just start this application and keep it running, right? Then you go to this folder which we downloaded from the school and just run this script. So /n docker setup.sh, right? Just hit enter and it will check in the background whether you have the Docker desktop or not. If all good, then it will start its process. It will take few minutes, maybe 2-3 minutes, and it will download all the images in the background. It will completely, and it will set up your whole application direct. So just wait for a few minutes and let's see. Okay, now you can see that in just few minutes we have installed this. So now it is running, right? And you can see we have the URL where you can access this application, then admin, and then the password. So password, what you can do, you can go to your .env file and you can change, or if you're running this locally just for testing purpose, then no need to change for now, right? Just for testing purpose, right? And if you want to like go to the production level, then definitely you should have some security features and you should keep this password changed. So like all the basic cloud security features you need to keep installed or set up, right, before going to production. So let's say I'll just open this URL, which is localhost, and the port is 3420, right? So we will go to the browser and just paste this URL. So I kept this very easy for everyone, right? So, and you will see the page here, right? So just wait for a few minutes. It will like, I think, setting up in the backend. So what we can do, we can go to the, just go to the terminal and run docker ps, and you will see that we have both the front end and back end running, and the port is 3420 and 8490, 2 ports. So for now we just need the front end port. So just hit refresh and just wait for a few seconds. It will be like, it will just setting. Yeah, so now we have this. Type admin and copy your password from here, which is randomly generated. You need to change and enter your password here, and boom. So you have the bot army trading dashboard, right? And it will run everything in the backend. You just need to focus on your backtesting or your dry run, and then like if you have any strategy in your mind, then you can create. And if you want our help, we can also help in this to create your strategy and help your infrastructure. So once you start the features, let me just show you for one bot. Let's say Ichimoku, and I'll go and click on dry run. So click on dry run and just deploy this with all the default parameters for now. So click on deploy, and it says deploying Ichimoku v1, and it says that at port 9100 it has deployed this Ichi 1 hour spot, right? So just click on this bot army, and you will see you have one bot which is running here, and just wait for a few seconds. And meanwhile, whatever you do here, you can go to your terminal and check their roles, right? So just write docker ps, and you will see there is one more Docker instance, which is the Docker Freqtrade, and the port is 9100. The previous instance were the one is front end and one is back end. So this one is your first trading bot. So now just go to your bot army dashboard and click okay, let's check the open FTUI, and you will see that we have this dashboard here, right? So this is Ichimoku futures here, and here you have this, I think, okay, now you can see it is running here, and when you click here, you will see this pop-up where you can see your Sharpe total profit and loss, the win rate, and the Sharpe. And when you have multiple trades, you can click here, and it will display all the trades, right, as we saw in the in my running instance, right? Yeah, I think for this it was just an introduction with this Nexus, how you can use the Freqtrade with Nexus. And in the next video, I'll be explaining you more strategies, how to do like extensive backtesting, and how to automate your like Freqtrade completely, and how to automate your algorithmic trading, because now we have the AI, and with the help of AI you can do anything and everything. So I'll try my best to explain you how everything works, and how you can also include this in your trading. So once again, let me show you how you can download this Nexus dashboard with all the documentation complete. So let me show you a glimpse of the documentation here. Don't worry, you will have all the commands step by step, especially for the beginners, for all the non-technical guys. I know the pain of setting that up. So let me show you. So what you will do, just click on the school link in description. So once you click on this link, you have this page. So here, click on the classroom, and from classroom, click on Nexus trading dashboard. And once you click here, you will have this file, right? So in this file, you have all the documentation. Just click on this and download this, right? So you will have this download. Then after opening this, you will have a complete, like you don't need to, if you're not technical, you don't need to go to the like all the codes and file. Anyways, I'll show you in the upcoming videos how you can do that. But this is how you will have this. Let me show you just a minute. Okay, so this is the preview of this. So you have this complete documentation, right? What Nexus is, then the architecture, the file structure, the features in detail. You can like check everything here, right? Then the API reference, then the config reference, then deployment modes. In the modes we have this like Docker native, right? Then also in the performance, refreshing strategy, backtest data, and the limitation also. So we'll be making more videos on this. This is just the installation of Nexus, and in the future we'll be creating so many videos to help all the manual traders to transition into the algorithmic trading. So this is it for this video. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, have an awesome day.